You're sweating.
I'm fucking proud, man.
You have a big smile on your face.
A big smile. Eh?
How are you feeling?
Absolutely top of the world.
Cloud 9, eh?
Yeah, Cloud 9 tonight. Cloud 9.
You see what football can do?
Absolutely can do. He's done it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What does this mean for the Gould family and the Mount Pleasant family?
The Mount Pleasant family get the kids, the best kids on the island, to come to train at Mount Pleasant, the academy. And we'll be a dynasty. Yeah.
Dynasty.
A dynasty. Does it matter?
Yeah.
It's gonna happen.
Wonderful program, and this is the fruits of the program. I know that feeling of accomplishing what you have been working so hard for, and I can see that you can't even breathe.
Yeah,
Certainly.
Yeah.
I know you don't even have words right now. It's obvious, but what I can say is congratulations and well done to you and Mount Pleasant and the work that you have been doing so far. Well done.
Thank you, man.
Well deserved. Yeah.
Well done. Yeah.